Hey y'all, I'm Reba. Today I am at Aldi. It is time to do a pantry stock up and refill the fridge with some fresh produce. Um, when I first went vegan, I thought that I had to make a meal from a recipe every night, something gourmet with 14 ingredients, and that's just not doable for my life. Before I went vegan, I had those 5 or 6 things I made in a typical week that I always had on hand. And I've kind of learned that that works with being vegan too. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to stock up on those things that I know I can make meals from. All right, let's get shopping. So this is pretty cool. Their brand of corn muffin mix is vegan. Because, my favorite Jiffy mix, you have to buy specifically the vegetarian one, or it's got animal fat in it. Huh! Their seasonings are really inexpensive too. 97 cents. Cheaper than the Dollar Tree, which I heard went up to $1.25. What? That just isn't right. I just love the fun specialty aisle. I always find something I want. It's ridiculous. Oh my God. Easter candy. So I'm done shopping. I spent $89, and that included some flower bulbs for me, a gift for a friend, and some things that I bought especially for a get-together this weekend. So when I get home, I will show you what I bought. So I did get some fresh produce for the week. We eat a ton of broccoli. The cruciferous veggies are so healthy for you. Broccoli makes sulforaphane when you chop it and is a great cancer fighter. Some Roma tomatoes, some pink lady apples. I try when I can, if they're not outrageously expensive, to get organic. They're very reasonable there at Aldi. A little distilled water, for my neti pot. Pineapple, carrots, peppers, lots of bananas, coleslaw. If you want easy, a bag of coleslaw mix is so versatile. I make little egg rolls with them. I make an Asian stir fry with it, coleslaw, add a handful on top of your salad. And I think this pack was $1.30 at Aldi. I don't feel like chopping cabbage for that. Some zucchini. This week I'm doing sweet peppers. Love to stock up on lemons there. They're so reasonable. They're frozen riced cauliflower. I throw this in whenever I make a big pot of brown rice. Lowers the caloric density and lets me get veggies in another way. Another thing I love there, their broccoli florets. Their florets are so tiny. They're just the perfect size and very reasonable. I think this was like 90 cents or something, 95 cents. Mixed vegetables, great as a soup base. So you can see I stocked up on canned goods. I'm trying something new here. They have these vegan keto little tortillas. We'll see how they taste. their corn tortillas. Again, I think it's like $1.30 maybe. And there are 30 in here. I make chips, tostadas, another really versatile thing to have on hand. Their fruit preserves are so delicious. I'm going to try for the first time their corn muffin mix. It is vegan, and I'm going to give it a try. I love to make cornbread when I have a big pot of soup or chili, especially if I'm having company. Their spices, super cheap. Some dried cranberries for salads, some rices, some convenience brown rice. Not something I normally buy, but I thought, it's going into spring. We're going to be busier. Why not? Their hummus, half the price of my fancy grocery, and it's low in cal, a lot lower than some of the other brands. 40 to 50 calories depending on which flavor you buy. Then, I treated myself and got some flower bulbs. I also got a couple non-vegan items. We're having a big family get-together this weekend, and I'm providing the buns. And, some of my family are bougie, so I got them some fancy buns, not vegan. I won't be eating them. And got me some little sandwich skinnies, which do not have milk or egg in them. At least the last time I checked. I probably ought to check again. I sometimes get tricked. But anyway, for $89, this is my haul of food. Hope you enjoyed watching this.